Okay, so what am I doing now, Mark?
You are
I'm taking it.
taking a final swipe to clean off those teats so they're yummy, clean, clean and safe to milk. So the milk is clean and the teats are clean, so you don't get bacteria going up into the teats.
And like this?
Yep. Yep. Now those teats, once you've done, they're clean enough to put your mouth on.
Is that part of being a farmer? Okay, just kidding. Oh, sorry. Go ahead, find it. Go ahead.
It's like zombie.
You can do it. Yay. Okay. Okay, ready?
Yeah. She's doing it. That's a big old hay bale.
I did it!
Okay, throttle down.
How do I do?
Throttle down. You did great.
Throttle down. Okay. And then my seam is here.
Yep.
Okay. Oh God. Okay. Okay. Like there?
Yep.
That's actually pretty good. You see that? Wow. Okay. Okay. That was the easy part, right? And that was even challenging. Now this here,
Yep.
here. Okay.
There you go.
That's good.
That's good.
And then start here.
Yep.
Oh, is it down too low?
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Oh God. Okay. Oh, faster?
Alright, go down a little bit. Move the beacon down slightly. There you go.
How's that?
Close. Close.
Close. Okay, what do I do?
Here.
Okay, help me out. Whoever gets this one, sorry.
We'll send it home with you.
I know. Okay, good. Starting all over again. That's never a good sign. Maybe I should sign it like Andi says sorry. Okay, you make it look easy.
Well, you do that 240 times.
Yeah, no, I did it! Hey!
Hey!
Thank you, Rebecca.
You're welcome.
Beautiful.